Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Septiani. I'm from Matematika Educational of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University. This video was made to fulfill the tasks of the Mathematics online learning course taught by Mr. Subhanajis. This video contains the application of the lesson plan that I made.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have you all read the materials?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we move to the material, can you remember what the material we studied last week?
Limit of algebraic function, Miss.
That's right. The material that we will study today is still related to the previous material. Okay, then I will explain more about this trigonometric limit material. I will start. Have you seen the search screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Limit of trigonometric function. The solution is the same as the algebraic limit function. However, in order to understand the next explanation, you must first understand the concept of trigonometry. The solution to the limit function in trigonometry can be done by changing the sign, cosine, and tan form. There are three general forms in the limit of the trigonometric function, namely the form. The first is limit x to c of f of x equal to f of c. In this form, the limit of the trigonometric function f of x is the result of substituting the value of c for x from the trigonometry. And the second is limit x to c of f of x divided by g of x. The solution is the same as for the limit of the algebraic function, which is factoring. And the third is limit x to c of f of x divided by g of x. In this form, it is done with a derivative concept. And this is angle of trigonometry. Okay. And then this is trigonometric identity. Trigonometric identity is an equation involving trigonometric function that is true for all angle theta for which the functions are defined. We can use the identities to help us solve or simplify equations. The main trigonometric identities are listed next. There is a reciprocal identities, Pythagorean identities, sum and difference identities, double angle identities, and half angle identities. This is the basic formula from trigonometry. Example: limit x to 0, x squared plus sin x times tan x divided by 1 minus cos 2x equal to limit x to 0, x squared plus sin x tan x divided by 2 sin square x equal to limit x to 0, x squared divided by 2 sin square x plus sin x tan x divided by 2 sin square x equal to limit x to 0, x squared divided by 2 sin square x plus sin x tan x divided by 2 sin square x equal to limit x to 0, x squared divided by 2 sin square x plus tan x divided by 2 sin x equal to 1 divided by 2 times 1 squared plus 1 divided by 2 times 1 equal to 1 equal to half plus half equal to 1. This is the video where can, can help you to solve the problem. There's a problem for to PowerPoint, so I will send the video into WhatsApp group. Okay, so move the question. Anybody want to ask?
I want to ask Miss,
Okay, Ali.
what the difference of general form number 2 and with general form number 3?
The difference is the way it is resolved, and it depending on the question. This example for general form number 2 is limit x to p divided by 2 of sin 2x divided by cos x equal to 2 cos x sin x divided by cos x equal to 2 sin x divided equal to 2 sin x equal to 2 sin p divided by 2 equal to 2. And for number 3, the example is limit x to 0 of 50x divided by sin 2x equal to limit to x to 0 of x times 50 divided by sin x times 2 equal to limit x to 0 50 divided by 2 equal to 25. Can you understand, Olivia?
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, anybody want to ask again?
Miss, I want to ask,
Okay.
what What if the limit result of the trigonometric function is undefined, Miss?
You can use the trigonometric identity formula or the basic formula, like the example I gave on the WhatsApp group. Please read more carefully. Now I will divide you into 3 groups, each group working on one problem. Discuss the question and then present it. Is there anything less clear?
How long it take to work, Miss?
I will give 15 minutes for a group discussion. I will share screen the group text. Can you see the text?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Please discuss it and present it after your discussion. Okay, for group 1, please present the result of your discussion.
Okay, I'm from group 1 with Nasio Kotronada. I will answer the number 1. Limit x to 0 of 5x divided by 3 sin 3x equal limit x to 0 of 5x divided by 3 sin 3x times 3x divided by 3x equal limit x to 0 of 3x divided by 3 sin 3x times 5x divided by 3x equal limit x to 0 of 1 divided by 3 times 3x divided by sin 3x times 5x divided by 3x equal 1 divided by 3 times 1 times 5 divided by 3 equal 5 divided by 9. Okay.
Thank you, Olivia. So next for group 2, please present the result of your discussion.
Group 2, I will answer the question 2. Limit x to 0 sin 3x divided by 2x equal limit x to 0 sin 3x divided by 2x times 3x divided by 3x became limit x to 0 sin 3x divided by 3x times 3x divided by 2x become 1 times 3 divided by 2 equal 3 divided by 2.
Okay, so the last group is group 3. Can you present it, the answer? Group 3. Desti, can you present the result of your discussion?
Septiani from group 3 and I want to answer the number of 3. The A, limit x to 0 sin 4x divided by 3x equal to 4 divided by 3 because we use the formula sin ax divided by bx is a divided by b. And number B, limit x to 0 sin 2x divided by sin 3x equal to 2 divided by 3. And we same formula like the number A, and the last is 3, lim x to 0 sin 2x divided by tan 7x equal to 2 divided by 7. Enough from me, Miss. Thank
Okay.
you.
Good question. Good answer for you. For all of you. Be close to each group. Okay. I think you are already understand. So we will do the assignment. Please open the WhatsApp. I will send the worksheet. Do it right, and if you have something to ask, you can go through the WhatsApp group or private chat to me. And for the last, do you have anything to ask?
I want to ask Miss, when do you we collect the assignment, Miss?
Next week. Okay, before we end today's meeting, I want to ask what is the conclusion from the material we studied today?
The conclusion is limit can also be used in trigonometric function. The solution is the same as the algebraic limit function. However, in order to understand the next explanation, you must first understand the concept of trigonometry. The solution to the limit function in trigonometry can be used by making several changes to the sine, cosine, and tangen forms.
Good, Naswa. Thank you for the conclusion. Okay, class, we will stop here. Thank you for your attention and enthusiasm in learning this material. Before we end this meeting, I will remind you to follow the COVID-19 health protocol, which is washing your hands, keeping social distance, and always wearing your mask. Let us pray together to have blessing from God. Prayer begins. Finish. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to do your homework, guys.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Thank
wabarakatuh.
you,
Thank you, Miss.
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss. See you next week.
Okay, that's all from me. I'm sorry if I was made a mistake. Thank you for watching this video. I hope what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. Before we end up, I would like to say thank you for Mr. Subhan Ajis as a lecturer and my friends who have helped the process of making this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.